This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the Mini is actually faster than the iX2 and iX1 by roughly 0.1 seconds. I'm not sure what's up with that because it has the same horsepower number. It has exact same weight, but it was a bit faster. Yeah, okay. And then when it comes to noise though, it is a bit noisy. We have the Continental Eco Contact S6Q. And average is 67.8, so iX1 is up here somewhere. No, that was iX2. iX2 is up here, but it has P0. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it, but way better average. And then in winter, I tested iX1, and you see here 65 decibels. So it appears as the BMWs, they have better soundproofing maybe than the Mini. So it means that, okay, when it comes to range, I also done range, the Mini has the worst efficiency, and they have the same battery, so Mini is worse there. Mini is also worse in noise, but best in acceleration, and then maybe best in styling, and you get a round you get a round screen. Yeah. So there you guys have it. If you want something different and you want something faster than the other one, then get the Mini. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.